In this video, let's talk about the best hub-centric spaces for your Q8 to avoid vibration. If you own an Audi Q8 and want to enhance its aggressive stance without compromising ride quality, choosing high-quality hub-centric wheel spaces is critical. Poorly designed spaces can cause vibration, strain wheel bearings, or even damage your quarter system. Based on engineering precision, user reviews, and compatibility with the Q8 center bolt and bolt pattern. Unlike those traditional length spaces, hub-centric spaces are built to fit your car's hub perfectly. The center hole is crafted to slide right over your hub, keeping your wheels spot on centric every time. This custom fit means way fewer annoying vibration and a much smoother, more stable ride. Sometimes every performance drinking can really appreciate. So, your hub-centric wheel spaces stop vibration? Yes, hub-centric wheel spaces can stop vibration issues because the hub-centric wheel spaces come with hub-centric rings which secure the wheel in place. These designs ensure that the wheels are perfectly centered on the vehicle hub, reducing the chance of vibration issues. A hub-centric wheel space is better. Yes, hub-centric wheel spaces are better than block-centric spaces. Hub-centric wheel spaces machined with center rings. These metal center rings fit snugly around the vehicle hub bolt. These designs ensure that the weight of the vehicle is supported by the hub itself rather than the wheel stud. The hub-centric wheel spaces are typically made to specifically match the diameter of the wheel hub bolt, allowing for a precise fit. BONOSS Sport hub-centric wheel spaces are CNC machined, positioned at 0.02 mm tolerance. Precise hub-centric wheel spaces are easier to stitch first up against the vehicle hub and wheel, so there is no obvious gap between them. This is helpful in avoiding high-speed wheel vibration. Thus, BONOSS Sport multi-stage hub-centric wheel spaces will effectively reduce chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. When it comes to choosing spaces, stick with hub-centric ones unless you got a very specific situation that calls for block-centric. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.